Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. So today I'm going to unbox this. This is Air Jordan 1 high top Zoom Air men's shoes. It was dropped on March 14th, 2020. And this is size 15. And the color is racer blue. I got this for $175, free shipping. The tax on this is $15.31. So the total damage is $190 and then 31 cents. So let's go ahead and unbox this. So this is the bottom of the box. I had to flip it upside down due to the label. Oh, so I guess this is the top. Wow, there's my invoice. Yeah, I just want to show you guys this is an original, authentic, original real one from Nike. Then that's the invoice. So like always, I'm going to give you guys a 360 view of the box real quick. You got the Nike swoosh with the register trademark. Two of them. And you got the Nike swoosh logo right here. Again, you got the two of the registered trademark. Then I'm gonna check out this side. It says 1985 Air Jordan 1. Nike and swoosh name R stripe, R trademark. And then on the side, you got another Nike with the swoosh logo, again with the registered trademark. Let's go ahead and check out the bottom side. And then you got the swoosh on the upper right hand side right here. So this is made in China. It is upside down. And then on this side, you got the Nike swoosh logo with the registered trademark right there. And then there's a black sticker right here. It's not glossy, so and this is where the size label is at. Okay, be sure to look at the barcode. Make sure your number match this. Air Jordan 1 High Zoom Air. It is CK 6637104. White dash racer blue. And then USA 15 made in China. Got the Euro size, UK size, and then a centimeter. And you should have the price on the toward the end, the right hand side right here, $175 MSRP. So let's go ahead and open this up. So you got the number right here, stamped it. And then right here you got the Nike swoosh. And then on the opposite side, you have the swoosh. that spell out the word swoosh. And there's a dimension number right there for the box or the lid. Wow. A lot of viewers are saying that maybe I should wear a mask or gloves, so it's kind of risky to unbox this from China or maybe anywhere out of the country. But anyway, it is what it is right now. So let's go and then take out look at the shoes real quick. Wow. So it comes with this extra lace. And then you got your white lace right here. That's already installed. Well, kind of. So right here on the toe box section right here, and then around the eye stay with the lace systems at, it is in glossy gray finish. And also on the swoosh right here. And this is where the wings logo is at. It is transparent, see-through all the way around, and wrap around this side. So I'm not sure this, yeah, this is like a see-through, clear. This is more like grayish color, like the one on the toe box section. I don't know, what do you guys think? And you got the zoom tag right here. It's only on the front side that it says zoom. Let me turn on the flash. There you go, much better. So this is Air Jordan wing logo. It looks like it is 3M reflective. Yeah, so it is. You can tell. And then inside the wing logo right here is a fabric right here. It is like a baby bluish. And then on the inside, you got like a navy one, like a royal blue color. And it is pretty padded, so it's going to be very comfortable. So wrap around and look at the shoes right here. It's a little glue or residue. So yeah, on the bottom part right here, it seems like it is wrapped around in a clear plastic, just like the top here. So right here is a little bit of the dark tint of the darker color. Because you can see right here, it is whiter. And right here is gray. I don't know, it looks kind of like a clear to me as well. But this section, it is all gray. And then check out the toe box here. So there's like a flaws right here. The leather is kind of scratched. And this is the tongue right here. It's pretty thick and padded. And then on the top of the tongue, you got the Zoom switch logo and then air. Let's go ahead and check out the inner tongue right here. And it is made in China. And it looks like it's 3M reflective as well. Go ahead and take out the shoe tree. Oh, by the way, at the tip of the lace is royal blue color on both. And then on the red one is red tip. And then there's your man sticker with the Zoom Nike switch and then the air. I don't think I could take out the insole. Yeah, the insole on this one, it is glue down. So go ahead and check out this size label right here. Let me flap this down, see if I can see it. So manufacture days on this one is October 2nd, 2019 through December 14, 2019. I'm not sure why they have two different dates. And be sure to look for the UPC code. Let's check out the bottom. So you got this like a light bluish, kind of like turn into like a pinkish and then a red color right here, purple, and then royal blue. And around the outside of the border right here, it is in a baby blue color. And you got the N letter, I guess stand for Nike. It is scattered all over the bottom of the outsole. And you got the Nike with the swoosh logo right here. Alright, so let's go and check out the other shoes real quick. Yeah, so this is reflective. You can see it right away. So And then right here is 3M reflective as well. I don't know, right here it's not, it doesn't shine that much, so I'm not sure. You can see it right away on this one. Again, you got the sticker again with the zoom, switch local air. Well, anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop any comments on below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.